touchdown in a 3:05.
We just made it to Miami. Haven't been here in 8 months since I moved.
I came one weekend right before Thanksgiving, but it was quick in and out. But it was nice, but it's perfect weather right now.
So excited. We feel like ghosts. We've been in the cold for too many months.
Yes, and it's so nice to be in the heat. It's supposed to be hot all weekend. It's been raining in Miami, but we're luckily not getting any rain, which is good. Yeah, so we landed last night. We got home about 10 o'clock, and we just ate and chilled with my parents for a bit, spoke to them for a couple hours, and I went to bed, so that's why you didn't really see much of last night. But
It's loud out here.
yeah, it's loud, sorry. And then now we're gonna go and get some coffee and breakfast with Haley.
Shop on Lincoln Road.
And shop on
my
Lincoln
favorite.
Road.
I can't wait to go to Zara.
Yes, and yeah, so we'll check. We'll just see what we do.
Yeah. All right, guys, what did we get?
I don't even know. Sugar, honey, croissant, banana bread, blueberry, croissant with cream.
Oh my god.
This is like that, but with chocolate cream.
So good. True Loaf in Sunset Harbor.
Miami.
That's 2 reviews.
Taste test of the first one. What is this
Out
called?
of 10.
Honey, sugar.
Honey sugar.
Croissant.
Is that not salt on top?
No, it's sugar.
Oh, I thought it was
Oh.
so. I
It's,
got excited.
I know. I was like, I wanted something salty.
It's like an 8.
An 8?
It's a bit. It's just basic.
It's mid. But it's
Okay.
good. It's good.
Okay.
It's mid.
We're rolling.
How's
Wow.
it? It's on the nose.
It is.
It's when you know.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Blueberry down.
Oh yeah, that's good, but I won't give it 10.
I think it's so good.
Wait, I don't know. Yeah, that's really good. Like a 9.
I'll give it a 9.
All right, 9 locked in. 10 for Jacob.
The one that we wanted. Banana bread. Wait, what is that, chocolate? Or raisin?
I'm just bringing it.
All right.
Maybe olives.
Ew. Okay. That's the
like
winner.
that?
Yeah, I love that.
I like that too.
All right, sweet.
Perfect mixture of sweetness and not.
Nice.
A little warm.
Oh man.
Yeah, we are a mess.
It could be a little more moist.
Yes, I agree. But we also went to Panther Coffee, our favorite coffee shop. They have them all around Miami. Yum.
Very good.
Yum. Pepperoni cups. It's like the corner store in New York. We could literally make that, but it's so good.
Yeah, that looks good. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you.
Okay, we're heading back home from Lincoln Road. I don't know how. I'm gonna have to check another suitcase now because I didn't have a literal inch of room in my suitcase. And so then after we just walked around to Ocean Drive, Española, which is like, we'll show you guys, it's where all the good places to drink are. What is the thing across the beach? You can get on like the boardwalk. Is that what they call it here?
Yeah, it's the boardwalk.
And we walked down there. We went to High Tide at the Kimpton. Really good beach bar. We never went when we lived here and we loved it. So, but yeah, it's great. Great drinks. So now we're gonna go back and get ready for dinner.
Happy birthday to you. Good morning from the 3:05.
Day 2 in Miami.
Yep. So a little recap of yesterday. What did we
Shopped
stop?
around,
Yes.
drank, ate. We went to a fun restaurant with our friends. Novikov.
Yes, Novikov, highly recommend.
Yeah.
Really good.
Really good.
Honey water and Brickle. Really, really nice. So we took a couple of videos of the food. We didn't take a lot because we didn't see those friends in a while.
Then we went to bed late.
We went to bed late.
Now
Yeah.
we woke up and we cannot wait to get a tan out by the beach.
Yeah,
We're gonna
so-
do a beach day.
Going to the beach, and then we're probably gonna head to the one hotel. They have a fun beach bar called Tala Beach.
Our favorite hotel probably in the whole world. We
Yes.
just love it there so much. It's the
Yes.
best vibe ever.
That's so nice. It's a bit hazy right now, but I think once the sun comes out a little bit,
It's still early,
it'll
yeah.
clear up. It's about around 10 right now.
Yeah.
So, gonna get out there and just enjoy the day.
Yeah. So we'll check back in with you.
No, not yet.
You guys engaged?
Not yet.
Not yet either.
Okay. And how long have you guys been together?
3 years.
3 years.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you.
That's a long time in today's market.
It
Yes.
really is, right? Most people are married by now.
Perfect.
Okay.
So what do we have? Let's see. We have Josie and Jacob.
Yes.
Love, travel, and fun. That's beautiful.
Thank you.
Life changing.
Be here right on the spot.
Oh my goodness. I
Thank you
love
so
it.
much.
Thank you so Just finished at Tala Beach. It's our favorite. It's at the one hotel. It's just open to the public. You can just walk off the beach and go to the bar. And they have all sorts of food and music. They have this cool little typewriter. You write your names and then 3 words about your relationship. And he made a poem out of it, which was so cute. So that was awesome. So now we are back home, going to watch the sunset up on the rooftop.
Well, I never know what to do with you, and I never know what to say to you.
Hopefully.
We're at dinner at Call Me Gabby. We're so tired.
restaurant in Miami.
Yes, that. Didn't think we'd make it because we were so tired, but so happy we did. Thank you.
Balls. Focaccia.
This is the best focaccia in the world with the best olive oil in the world. We always want to take this home.
Yes, we do. Can't get it. Yeah, this is really damn good too. You can buy it at the store. Yeah, it is. A little treat. Get this every time, and it hits every time. It's insane.
Tell us if it's as good as it used to be. Waiting.
Unreal.
Alright, let's see mine. I get this every time too. I never see this anywhere else. It's like the zucchini pasta. It's so good.
Better than I remember.
My favorite dessert. Nothing's better than a lava cake. Get that tree out of there. There you go. There's the spot. She does look like she's having a seizure. Show us your trick. Oh. Stand up. Oh, yeah. That's a good boy.
What, like, how creamy? Like day,
Last day.
last day.
We're at Monty's having the number 3 pain remover.
Boom. We all have one. Chick got on.
Hey guys.
It's a restaurant right on the marina. It has a pool, music.
This was like a regular spot for us when we lived here, so we come back every time we come.
Like the most casual place on Miami Beach, which is nice.
Good drinks, good food, highly recommend. You get to see the water. The water is very nice. All the boats, I took videos of the boats. You see that too.
Enjoy the sun before we get on our plane.
Yes, and then we just put in some food. We're just gonna chill there waiting on the parents to get here and just line for a bit and head to the airport.
So sad. It's really shrunk today.
Is
Try
it?
it. Chicken, try yours. What you think?
That's good. I think you like it. He's never had one.
I fucks with it. It's not like pina colada that I thought it was going to be.
Chicken approved.
Oh,
You got it?
Got it.
they mashed up on
Oh my god, look at that thing.
Yeah, boy.
Thank you.
It's in your family. Chicken, tenders, steak.
They're already kind of cracked.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, this is for our other stuff.
Oh, dear.
Snow crab
Oh,
claws.
thank you, Mom.
I'm okay, thank you though. There's a lot here. You're only in season for a few months a year.
Yep.
What do we have? Butter and mustard.
This is the best.
This is the best, yes. The claw is like glass, like it hurts.
Yep.
How'd you do it so well?
Mine was just craft knife.
What is this one? Butter?
Butter, yeah. We do it for you. There you
Nope,
go.
I got
Oh
it.
my god, nuggets.
Yum! Your pick. So good.
So good.
They have fish cake.
I haven't done this in so long.
Yeah, it's nicer with the white sauce.
Yeah, I might need to. There we go.
There you go.
You got the full legs to come out.
Uh-huh. You got a good one. Oh my god, you gave it to me.
That Russian guy had his food there at one time. You miss Miami, babe?
I do.
Gonna move back?
No.
Why not? You see how good this tricycle is right now?
Exactly, I miss it.
Yes, I miss this too.
Just finished at Monty's, and then you just walk down this little sidewalk here, and then you get to South Pointe Park, and you get to this nice restaurant, Smith & Lewinsky's, and you can get a drink and sit by the water. It's so nice, and it's where the water's so blue, and you can watch the cruise ships pass.
best way to mix your drink.
Alright, that's your... What number of Aperol Spritz in Miami? How many places did you have?
Does the beach count that you made?
Yeah?
I don't know, 5.
5. Which one is the best?
This one.
Wow!
But no paper straw.
No paper straw.
Better like this.
Yes. Which is unheard of. Even in Italy, they give you straws. No complaints. None.
My only complaint is that you don't complain.
Yes. That's a complaint.
I don't know how y'all do it.
Okay, kiss.
It's not meant for that.
Last hour.
It's very sad.
Don't want to go. It's too pretty.
Trips too quick.
Always too quick.
Sorry. Final words would be coming back soon. That's it. That's all.
Coming back soon for sure. Don't want to go home to the cold. Let's try the airport Caribbean food. You gonna try it?
Yeah.
I got the curry, you got the jerk chicken, and it came out in 4 seconds. That's a little nerve-wracking.
A little concerning.
It's a lot of sauce. Honestly though, kind of smells good, dare I say.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, with the hands, with the hands.
Mmm.
Oh, I heard a mmm.
Good.
Wow, you heard it here first.
Good.
Perfect pre-plane food.
Yeah.
Back in Charlotte.
Wait. You're just supposed to wave.
What?
You're just supposed to
Oh.
wave.